Hello, good afternoon, my dear boys of class 5. Welcome back to my another class. This is Rabuni Mujumdar, your English first paper instructor on behalf of St. Gregory's High School and College. So boys, today I am going to show you how to write a composition. So my today's topic is composition, and you know that there are lots of composition included in your syllabus and you must know how to write these compositions. Okay, so boys, let's go for our today's class. Take out your necessary accessories. Before starting, boys, I would like to say that this way to write a composition is for your school exam, because in your school exam there are included some compositions and you have to follow these rules for writing that compositions. Okay, and for your PSC exam I will show another rules for writing a composition. Okay, so this is only for your school exam, because in PSC syllabus, that means in PSC exam, you will have to write a composition based on at least 5 sentences or more than 5 sentences. So in that term you can write a composition like in a like a paragraph, but for your school exam you have to follow these rules for writing composition. Okay, and what is the difference between a composition and a paragraph? I am going to say that, boys, when we will write a paragraph, we will write just in one para. Okay, you know that's why that is called a paragraph. But when we will write a composition, you have to follow the rules, and the rules are there can be 3 main parts. That means there can be 3 paras for writing a composition. Okay, so for writing a composition you have to use 3 paras, and for writing a paragraph you have to use only 1 para. Okay, so I am going to show you the names of these paras, because there are 3 main parts and all of them have their names. Okay, first one is introduction, second one is body, and the third one is conclusion. Okay, so boys, before showing these rules I am going to show you the composition here. Okay, this is, you can see that I have written here, this is leisure time, and I have added here 3 parts. Okay, so I have divided them into 3 parts. You can see this is the first part, this is the second part, and this is the third part. Okay, so in your school exam you will write the composition like me. First of all, you will give some information in first para, then you will give some elaborate description in the second para, and you will close your composition in the third para. Okay, so your composition will be like this. Now I am going to show you about the rules. So first one is introduction. Okay, first para is called an introduction. It is a paragraph that includes the topic. So in this part you will include the main topic. You will say something interesting about the topic or gives definition. So boys, in this part you will include the topic, you can say some interesting thing about the topic, and most preferably you can give some definition. Okay, you can give one definition about the given topic. Okay, so this part is very important, because by reading this part your teacher will be able to know actually what you know about the topic. Actually, do you have any idea about the topic? Okay, because you will give the definition, and by reading the definition your teacher will be clear about the topic. Okay, so boys, this part is very important, because this is the introductory part, and in this part you will present actually what you know mainly about the topic. Okay, then this is the body. Second part is called body. Body is the longest part of a composition, so they represent the development of your idea. So in this part you will give an elaborate description about your idea of the topic. Okay, actually what you know you will tell elaborately in this part. Okay, you can give some logics and you can give some examples in this part. So this is also important, because this part will actually show what you know about the topic. Okay, elaborately. Then conclusion. It is the closing part of a composition. So in this part you can summarize in short actually what have you understood. So in this part you have to summarize your thinking about the topic, and you have to write in short actually what have you come to know about the topic. Okay, so boys, this is all about how to write a composition. First of all, there will be an introduction, then body, then the conclusion. So in introductory part you will give some special or interesting ideas, or you can give definition. Then in the body part you will give an elaborate discussion about the topic, and in conclusion you will give the short summarization. Okay, so boys, this is the rules how to write a composition. And as you are in class 5, I think these 3 rules are just important for me, sorry, for you. So you just need to follow these 3 rules for writing a composition. Okay, now I have going to show it elaborately. Okay, first of all you can see that I have written here leisure time. So this is included in your first term syllabus. You can copy the composition from here, no problem. And if you want to learn from another textbook or Google or internet, no problem. And if you write like me, no problem. Okay, so in the first part, this is the introductory part. In this part I have written leisure time is actually meaning our free times. As a student or a job holder, everyone spends a busy time in their life, but everyone gets a break from study or work. We address that time as leisure time. So boys, from the beginning up to this line, this is the definition of leisure time. So this is important for our regular life to spend some free time. So this is an interesting information, because without leisure time our life will be like a machine. That's why we need leisure time. Okay, so this is the introductory part. Here I have given a definition and I have written just extra 1 line, or if you just want to give the definition only, no problem. But in the introductory part you have to understand that in this part you need to write a definition based on the topic. Okay, and if you can't write a definition, you can just write some introductory lines for the given topic. Okay, then I am going for the body part. Okay, so this part will give an elaborate discussion, okay, about the given topic. So I have written like this: one can spend one's leisure in gardening, painting, photography, reading, rowing, stamp collecting, etc. I said that boys, you can give some examples in this part, okay, based on the topic. So one can spend one's leisure in gardening, painting, photography, reading, rowing, stamp collecting, etc. Leisure has great significance in a man's life. I am Rafsan. Actually this is an imaginary name. Okay, then I am a student. I usually get my leisure time in the afternoon. So Rafsan gets his leisure time in the afternoon. If you get your leisure time in the evening, that doesn't matter. Okay, I mainly play with my friends in my leisure time. So Rafsan plays mainly with his friends in his leisure time. If you do something more, you can write it down, no problem. Then sometimes I watch cartoons or cricket game on TV. I like to visit my grandmother in my leisure time also. So this is about Rafsan. I don't know who is Rafsan is. This is an imaginary name. I have just given some information for him. Okay, so I love to help my mother in the garden in my leisure time also. So there are lots of information about Rafsan's leisure time. Sometimes he plays with his friends, and sometimes he watches cartoons or cricket game. Sometimes he visits to his grandmother house, and sometimes he helps his mother in the garden. Okay, so boys, if you want to include some more information about your leisure time, you are most welcome. Okay, then this is the body part. Okay, now this I am going for concluding part. Okay, my leisure time helps me to remove my tiredness. So now I am going to conclude. That means I am going to summarize my composition in this part. That's why I am talking about the main things about the composition. Okay, it refreshes my mind and brain. I get relief from my busy work in this time. In our daily life, leisure time is very important. I love my leisure time very much. Actually, we all love our leisure time very much, because this is very important, and if we don't get a leisure time, our life will be like a machine. Okay, so everyone needs leisure time, and that is very important. So this is the concluding part of this composition, and in this part you will shortly say about the main things, about the main idea of the given topic. Okay, so boys, how will be the length of your composition. Okay, within 2 pages you can complete your composition. Okay, you need not write more and more and more. You can just use 2 pages for writing a composition, and for a composition there will be there will be 10 marks. So I think writing 2 pages is enough, but try to follow these rules. That means you have to write in paras, the first para, the second para, and the third para. And the first para is called introduction. You need not write the name of the paras. Okay, you just write like me. You can see that I have not mentioned the name of the paras. Okay, here I have just given some information, then I have started the body part from this corner, then I have finished it at this corner, then I have again started the concluding part at this corner, and I have finished it here. Okay, so you can write like me, or if you want to give some more information in the introductory part, or in the body part, or in the concluding part, you are most welcome. I have just shown you how to maintain these paras. Okay, so boys, this is all for today. And one more thing, you have to write these rules in your CW copy, and you have to copy this leisure time in your CW copy, and you have to memorize it. Okay, I think if you know actually what you do in your leisure time, you need not memorize it. You just can memorize this part. This is the definition. Okay, so you can learn all of the definitions of your compositions that are included in your syllabus. Okay, and in your PSC exam, the composition will be based on the scene passage. Okay, so in my another class I will show you how to write this that paragraph, that composition for your PSC exam. Now this is all for your school exam. For the first term exam, you have to write a composition like this. Okay, and if you face any problem in understanding, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you boys, thank you for watching my class, and those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, because you will be notified when I will upload the class. Okay, and you can watch my class again and again, because if you have failed to understand anything, you if you want it watch it again, then you will be able to know, or you will be able to understand. Okay, thank you very much boys. See you in my next class.